In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Smartsheet. Whether you're new to this powerful tool or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the simple process of editing cell content within Smartsheet. It's an essential skill that will help you manage your projects more efficiently and ensure your data is always up to date and accurate. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Smartsheet that you are working on. Once there, take a moment to locate the specific cell you want to edit. It could be any cell that contains data that needs updating, or perhaps you want to add some new information. To begin editing the cell content, you have two straightforward options. The first option is to double-click the cell you intend to edit. This action will immediately put the cell into edit mode, allowing you to modify its contents directly. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, the second option is just for you. Simply select the cell you wish to change and press the F2 key. If you're using a Mac, remember it's Fn plus F2 to activate edit mode. Once you've entered edit mode using either of these methods, you can see that the cursor is now active within the cell. This is your cue to go ahead and update the content. You can type in new data, correct existing information, or erase everything and start fresh, depending on what your task requires. It's that simple. After making the desired changes or updates to the cell content, you'll want to ensure that these changes are saved. This is done effortlessly by pressing the Enter key. This step finalizes your edits and commits them to the Smartsheet, making your changes instantly visible to anyone else working on the sheet. One helpful tip to keep in mind is that if you ever make a mistake while editing, you don't have to worry. Smartsheet has intuitive features that let you undo your actions. Simply use the Ctrl+Z shortcut or Command+Z on a Mac to quickly revert to the previous content of the cell before your changes. With this knowledge, you are well equipped to edit cell content confidently within Smartsheet. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to try out these techniques to become more skilled and efficient in managing your sheets. With these quick and easy steps, you'll find editing Smartsheet to be a breeze, helping you keep your projects organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in your journey of mastering Smartsheet.